Hello everyone. For those who use Miui 14, you will remember the KittyUi v4 theme. Currently, the KittyUi v4 theme is no longer on the store. KittyUi v4 theme also does not support changing the status bar for HyperOS devices. If your device is running HyperOS, and you like the experience of KittyUi v4, I will share with you a KittyUi v4 style theme, supporting changing status bar for HyperOS device. Theme available on Chinese theme store, but you can install on your global device. If your device running Chinese ROM, you can find theme name to direct install. The theme supports a widget on the home screen, capable of controlling music like KittyUi v4 theme. Beautiful icon pack. The theme has a lot of functions on the lock screen, with smooth zoom effects. When playing music with Mi Music app, you can control it on lock screen. Text widgets can be changed as desired. The clock widget can synchronize colors with the home screen. Supports 10 lock screen depth wallpapers. Increase and decrease the lock screen depth effect. You can import your depth effect wallpaper. Folder wallpapers features can quick change lock screen wallpaper. Let's bring this theme to your device. Because the theme is currently only available in Chinese theme store, you can install this theme on your global device with backup file made by me. If you don't know how to use backup file to restore theme, watch this video. After that, you will see the theme appear inside the theme store app. Begin custom theme. Now, my device returned default theme. I will apply this theme then custom it. After apply, your device look like this. You don't need password to active features of theme. Theme change some UI of system applications. On lock screen, double bottom bar to custom. Later, we will customize the text on widget. How to import your depth effect wallpaper. Open theme app. Customize theme, then select lock style of theme to custom. Number 1. Port your wallpaper. Upper line import end file. Lower line import original file. Click here to show your wallpaper. Next, active folder wallpaper features. With this, you can quick change lock screen wallpaper. Double tap this to active. Change wallpaper. Open File Manager. Create new folder with name. Copy and paste all wallpaper into this folder. You can find wallpapers in video description. Number 2 line. Custom zoom effect. On lock screen, you can select following me. Number line 5. Enable this. This is name of folder wallpaper features, AP14. Number 7 line, custom text on lock screen widget. Enter any text you want here, it show under banner widget. Enter any text at 3 lines, number 9. It show at number 9 widget. Number 10. Custom standby mode. Disable it if on. Standby mode auto active when charging. Number 12 line. Custom focus mode with text. Enter any text here. Number 13 line. Enable 2. And custom text on bottom bar. Number 17 line. Custom home screen. Dynamic island and dock bar. Position dock bar. Disable if you don't like this. Dock bar and dynamic island. Number 18 line. Active all to sync the lock screen and home screen clock widgets. If you change color clock widget on lock screen. In home screen, it changed too. Playing music with Mi Music app, and you can control music with widget. With this theme, you can experience KittyUi v4 theme again on HyperOS device. Of course, Miui devices can still use this theme. Backup file in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.